In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide contacts from all contacts in Zoho CRM. This is a simple settings change, but it is important because it affects how users can view contact records across your organization. If you want to restrict contact visibility so that contacts are not shown to everyone, you will use the security control and data sharing options inside Zoho CRM. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click the settings gear icon now. This opens the administrative area where you can manage security and sharing rules. Take a moment to make sure you are in the main settings panel, not in a smaller pop-up or module view, because the next choices depend on being in the correct place. Once the settings menu opens, you will want to find security control. Look through the settings options until you see a section labeled Security Control, and then click it. This area is designed specifically for controlling access, permissions, and what different users are allowed to see. Going to Security Control first matters because the data sharing settings you need are nested under it. Quoting Security Control, you will see a few different security-related menus. Next, click Roles and Sharing under Security Control. This is where Zoho CRM organizes permissions by role and outlines how information can be shared. If your organization uses roles to structure permissions, this is the key area where the sharing behavior gets defined. Now you should be ready for the main setting that controls visibility. After you select Roles and Sharing, click the Data Sharing setting. This will bring you to the screen where Zoho CRM lets you define how data is shared between users and roles. Spend a moment here to confirm that you are looking at a data sharing page, because the option you need will be further down on this page. On the data sharing screen, you will find rules that determine which records are visible to other users. Your goal is to locate the contact-related entry. Find the option that mentions contact, and then look for the setting labeled Private. Set it so that contacts are private. In other words, you are instructing Zoho CRM that contact data should not be shared broadly with all users. If you do not immediately see the contact rule, scroll carefully through the data sharing options until you find the contact item. When you locate it, make sure you select the private option for contact visibility. The reason this step is so important is that it changes the baseline sharing behavior for contact records, helping ensure that users cannot view contacts unless they have been granted access through your security setup. Once you switch the contact visibility to private, review the page to confirm that the setting is applied to the correct data type. It helps to double-check that you are changing contacts, not a different module such as leads or deals. You want to be confident that the private setting you chose is tied specifically to contact records. At this point, you have completed the core configuration. Depending on your Zoho CRM interface, you may see that changes are saved automatically, or you may have a Save button available within the settings page. If a Save option is present, click it to ensure your changes take effect. After saving, you can return to the CRM interface and test visibility as needed, such as checking how contact records appear to users who should not have access. That covers the main process for hiding contacts from all contacts in Zoho CRM by using security control, roles, and sharing, and the data sharing settings. And that is all there is to it.